Hello, welcome to Michelle Sews Again. I'm Michelle. It's my next installment of my Collabathon for Sew Purple to End ALZ 22. And today I'm partnering with the fantastic Mari from Mari Sews. If you want to see what we're making, then please stay tuned. So it probably won't come as any surprise to you that Mari and I are partnering on a collaboration for Project Dress-A-Girl. Mari and I are both hosting challenges this month. Mine is obviously Sew Purple to End ALZ, and she is doing the Project Dress-A-Girl 2022 challenge. And her challenge is for such a worthy cause. I know that it's going viral out there. I know that you've probably heard about it already, but I really pray that you are participating in helping to make dresses for little girls around the world, including here in the US. These dresses go to girls that need dresses, regardless of their circumstances. So if you enjoy helping out those in need, then participate. And you can find some really fantastic free little girl patterns on the internet. Or just if you are a mother or a grandmother of little girls, then you probably have some patterns in your stash anyway. So I encourage you to participate. I am going to link Mari's intro video in the description box, and I really hope that you go and check it out. I want to talk about the dress that I've made today. So Alyssa from Thoughtful Creativity, she designed a dress specifically for Project Dress-A-Girl last year. This year, there are additional dresses that have been designed specifically for Project Dress-A-Girl. One of them is the Allison Tent dress from J. Ray Desiree, also known as So Much Jazz. And that Allison Tent dress went viral last year for adults, and she agreed to make a version for little girls for Project Dress-A-Girl. In the month of September, you can download that pattern from her website for free with the code PDAG. I will put all of that in the description box below. I have made the third dress that was designed specifically for Project Dress-A-Girl that came again from Alyssa at Thoughtful Creativity. So she has designed a dress 2 years in a row. Last year's dress is still available, and she designed a new one this year. And she's got a tutorial video on her channel. I will link to it in the description box below. You can download her pattern. The whole thing is 4 pages. So she's got a cover page and then 3 pages of pattern pieces that you tape together. There is one pattern piece for the front and back, and you just have to change where the neckline is and where the pocket is. And you just have to draft out the pocket separate because the pocket is drawn onto the front pattern piece. So you just want to take some tracing paper and trace that off for both the lining, the pocket lining and the pocket facing. And she doesn't add seam allowances to her pattern pieces. So make sure that you watch her tutorial, and she will walk you through where you need to add seam allowances and where you don't. So I made her newest version, and I did a little bit of a tweak to it. So that's what I wanted to talk you through today. So here is my version of this cute little dress. It's an A-line dress with shoulder ties, and the front neck comes slightly lower than the back neck. It's got bias binding for the armholes that turns into the shoulder ties, bias binding for the neckline, and bias binding for the pocket, which is that not the cutest shaped pocket you've ever seen? And then it's just got a normal hem. So I made this dress in this really cute cotton. It's a quilting cotton from Joann's. It's got little butterflies and flowers on it. It's super cute. Obviously I made it in purple so that it's a combo dual challenge. It meets both challenges. It's Sew Purple to End ALZ and Project Dress-A-Girl. And I did everything that Alyssa asked me to in terms of the pocket and the bias binding and everything, but I added this cute little trim detail. So to do that, all I did was when I was sewing on the bias binding, I just tucked this up inside. And I just think that came out so cute. I have it on the front neckline and the pockets. I did not put it on the armholes because I thought that would just be a smidge too much. And I have it on the back neckline. And I just think this dress is adorable. It was really super simple to make. Madi had a 2-hour Zoom call yesterday, on Saturday, and I got the front piece and the back piece constructed during that call, and all I had left to do was to put the arm bindings on and hem it. Yeah, that's all I had left to do after 2 hours. So, and I probably could have gotten this whole thing done in 2 hours if I wasn't chit-chatting on the Zoom call. So, I got it cut out and everything during that Zoom call because my fabric was actually still in the dryer when the Zoom call started. So I most definitely could have gotten this done in less than 2 hours, including the extra trim that I put on. So I encourage you to take the pattern and make it your own. Add trim. I think it would be really cute if you did a different fabric inside the pocket. Obviously you can either make self-binding or you can buy ready-made binding, which is what I did. I just think this is the cutest dress and so easy to make. So I hope that you're participating. Let me know in the comments if you are participating. If you've made more than one dress, let me know. I'd love to know. Madi is sharing all of the makes. So to enter your dress in the challenge, then post it on Instagram, use the hashtag Project Dress a Girl 2022. Make sure that you include the 2022. It's not just 22, and it's not no numbers. So it's not just Project Dress a Girl, it's not Project Dress a Girl 22, it's Project Dress a Girl 2022. And tag Madi at Madi Sews for Curves. That's her Instagram handle. And she is sharing all of the makes on her Instagram stories, and she's going to do a full compilation video at the end. Right now, we were on a Zoom call today. She did a live unboxing today. This is Sunday that I'm filming this. And she has 350, she's counted so far 350 dresses on Instagram, and it's only September 11th. So I think she's gonna far exceed the 890 that she did last year, or that you guys did last year. And so I'm really excited to hear what that final count is. I can't wait to see what Madi made. So I'm gonna go check her channel out now. If you missed yesterday's video, it was with Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room, and we made her favorite dress, the 8640, Simplicity 8640. And tomorrow's video is with Yvette from Blossom Sandwich, and I went way outside of my style comfort zone, and we made the True Bias Shelby dress. So if you want to see what my thoughts are on that, then be sure to tune in tomorrow. I'm going to list all of the Sew Purple to End ALZ links in the description box, information for Alzheimer's, a link to my intro video. So if you don't know what the Sew Purple to End ALZ hashtag is all about, then be sure to go and check out the intro video. I talk about all the collaborations. I give you a little backstory on my dad. I talk about the donation request. I talk about all the collaborations that I'm going to be doing. And in the description box all month, every video is going to have links to all of my collaborators, what project we agreed to work on, and what date we're uploading. So be sure and go check all of them out. They're all amazing people, and I know that you're gonna love them. And wherever you are, I hope the weather's amazing. I hope you're able to get some sewing in, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.